Hello, wonderful children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Muqeet. This special name means that Allah is the sustainer, the one who takes care of everything and everyone in the most perfect way. Just like how your parents make sure you have food to eat and a warm bed to sleep in, Allah is the one who actually provides everything we need to live and grow. Think about all the amazing things around us: the fresh air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and even the sunshine that helps plants grow. Allah, as Al-Muqeet, makes sure that every single creature on earth gets what they need. From the tiniest ant carrying its food to the big elephant drinking water from a river, Allah takes care of them all. Isn't that amazing? Let me share something fun with you. Have you ever watched birds flying in the sky and wondered how they find their food? Allah, Al-Muqeet, guides them to where they can find seeds and worms. Remember what our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us. If we trust in Allah like the birds do, He will provide for us just as He provides for them. The birds leave their nests empty in the morning and return with full tummies in the evening. Here's another wonderful thing about Al-Muqeet. He doesn't just give us food for our bodies, but He also gives us food for our hearts and minds. When we feel scared, He gives us courage. When we feel sad, He gives us happiness. When we need help with homework or making friends, He helps us figure things out. Allah knows exactly what we need and when we need it. You know what's really special? Allah as Al-Muqeet takes care of everyone at the same time. Think about how many people there are in your school. Now imagine taking care of all of them at once. But Allah takes care of not just your school, but every school, every home, every animal, every plant, everything in the whole wide world. And He never gets tired or forgets anyone. So next time you eat your favorite meal, drink fresh water, or feel the warm sunshine on your face, remember to say, "Thank you, Allah." Remember that Al-Muqeet is always watching over you, taking care of you, and giving you exactly what you need. Isn't it wonderful to know that we have such a caring Creator who loves us and provides for us in the best possible way? And here's a lovely thought to remember. When we understand that Allah is Al-Muqeet, we learn to be more thankful for what we have and more caring towards others too. We can share our snacks with friends, help someone who needs it, and be kind to animals, just like Allah is kind and caring to all of us. Remember, dear children, Allah Al-Muqeet is always there for you, taking care of you in the most perfect way.